Hello friends, welcome back to my channel PP's Update. Today we are going to explore a new place in Khandadhara district, Khandadhara Waterfall. Khandadhara Waterfall is one of the highest and famous waterfall in Odisha. It is located in Khandadhara district. The location is exactly between two districts, the border of Sundargarh and Keonjhar. So stay tuned in my video to explore this beautiful place. Khandadhara waterfall is famous for its natural beauty. We have now reached at Suakati. It is 16 km away from Keonjhar headquarters. So we have to move more 44 kilometers from now. After that, we will reach at the Khandadhara waterfall and we will try to explore this place. Khandadhara waterfall height is about 350 feet and it is situated in a dense forest and it is surrounded by so many hills. ସୁନ୍ଦର ତୃପ୍ତିର ଅବସାଦ ନାହିଁ ଯେତେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ ନୂଆ ଦିଶୁଥାଏ। ଖଣ୍ଡାଧାର ଜଳପ୍ରପାତ ସବୁଜ ବନାନୀ ଘଞ୍ଚ ଅରଣ୍ୟ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଅବସ୍ଥିତ। ଚତୁଃପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ପାହାଡ଼ ଏବଂ ଶାନ୍ତ ପରିବେଶ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଏହା ଦର୍ଶକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆକର୍ଷିତ କରି ଆଣେ। ପରିବେଶବିତ୍ମାନେ ପରିବେଶକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ କରିବାକୁ ବହୁ ଦୂରରୁ ଏଠାକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଆସନ୍ତି। ଏହି ଜଳପ୍ରପାତ ଏହା ପାଖରେ ରହିଛି ଅନେକ ଛୋଟ ବଡ଼ ଜଳପ୍ରପାତ ଯେପରିକି ସାନ ଘାଗରା, ବଡ଼ ଘାଗରା ଏବଂ ହାଣ୍ଡିଭଙ୍ଗା ଜଳପ୍ରପାତ। फाइनाली आम पहुँच सारी खंडाधार वाटरफॉल पाखे। खंडाधार वाटरफॉल जहाँकि आप बैकग्राउंड देखिपारे। Like, share and subscribe my channel PP's Update for more videos and press the bell icon for getting more notifications. Thank you.